In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to dark mode in Reddit. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tap so you can browse Reddit more comfortably, especially at night or in low light environments. Let's start from the Reddit home screen. Make sure you're already logged into your account, either in the Reddit mobile app or in your web browser. The exact layout can look slightly different depending on whether you're on a phone, a tablet, or computer, but the key options are always in the same general place. First, look for your profile icon. On the mobile app, you'll usually find this in the top right corner of the screen. It might appear as your profile picture, a small avatar, or a generic user icon if you haven't set a picture yet. On the desktop website, your profile icon is also located toward the upper right, along the top bar, next to other icons like notifications and messages. Go ahead and click or tap that profile icon. This opens a small menu, sometimes called the account menu or profile menu. Here, you'll see options related to your account, such as your profile, settings, saved posts, and more. Within this menu, you're looking for the option related to display mode. Depending on your device and the version of Reddit you're using, it might be labeled as dark mode, theme, or display mode. Often, you'll see a simple toggle that says dark mode with a switch next to it, or a section where you can choose between light and dark themes. Tap on the display mode or dark mode option. If it's a toggle, just switch it on. You should immediately see the background of Reddit change from light to dark. Text, icons, and buttons will adjust automatically so they remain readable against the darker background. If you're on a device that supports system-wide dark mode, Reddit may also offer an option to match your device's theme. In that case, you can choose to have Reddit automatically switch between light and dark based on your system settings, which can be useful if you don't want to change it manually every time. Take a moment to scroll through your feed and make sure everything looks comfortable to your eyes. If you ever want to switch back, you can repeat the same steps. Open your profile menu, find the display or dark mode option, and toggle it off. And that's all there is to it.